This is a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. In some markets, it's known as the iX35. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the very common problems that arises with the hood of this car and how to fix it. The problem is with the safety catch. It becomes corroded and the spring action no longer operates, and try as you might to loosen it up with lubricants and whatnot, it will just never work correctly. And you might think, so what? But I can't tell you how many cars we have seen totaled because of the malfunctioning safety catch. If the hood happens to pop open for whatever reason at highway speed, it will fly back, and not only will it destroy the windshield and the hood itself, but also the pillars and the roofline, and the repair cost can exceed the total value of the car. So it's a total loss. My assistant agrees, and he directs me to repair this safety catch. And my second assistant also agrees that this should be repaired ASAP. Fortunately, the replacement part is available. I'll include a link in the video description. And all you need in order to replace it is one 10mm socket. It just has one 10mm bolt holding it. It comes right off. Might want to do something about this rust at some point so it doesn't eat through the hood. Here's a close-up of the old part that helps to understand why it is so difficult to repair. The new one bolts right back on. It operates normally with the spring action and viola, as somebody ignorant and stupid would say. Now when the hood pops open, it is held in place by the safety catch. This means it cannot be opened until you release the safety catch. So life is good. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.